Kia ora, and welcome to Detergents if you choose this topic for your 91163 standard. Remember, you've got to do the development of the technology as well as the understanding of the chemistry. So in terms of the development, think of why we moved from using nothing to using soaps to developing the man-made detergents and the antibacterial detergents that we have now. Why was there that development and how did it happen? In terms of the chemistry, you need to have completed already the first 3 booklets of the 2040 series, as well as some organic chemistry, and you need a little bit further study on some esters. So what do we know from the 2040 series? You need to be able to explain covalent bonding, intermolecular forces, polarity of molecules, and solubility, particularly what's soluble in water and what's soluble in non-polar substances. So that chemistry needs to be shown when you explain the chemistry of soaps and man-made detergents. Organic chemistry, you need to know about alcohols and carboxylic acids because they make up your fats, which is the source of your soap, and also the physical and chemical properties. Again, it's the solubility that's important bit, and esters, the structure, and what happens when we add a base because it breaks up to form your soap. So the 3 areas of focus. So your macroscopic, why are soaps soapy? Why do soaps form scum? Why do man-made detergents not form scum and they still froth, but your soaps do form scum when there's lots of calcium around? Think also of your calcium, how soluble the calcium salts are. In terms of the microscopic focus, so now you're looking at particles, you're looking at structures. So think of your polar head and your non-polar tail. So you need to be able to explain this. Here's another version where it's showing a detergent that's man-made. So look at the similarities and the differences, compare them. Think of how they work. So why do they form these balls? So think of repulsion, why they're repelling each other so that it forms those balls. Here are 2 other variations showing that micelle formation. This is what we call a micelle. And you need to be able to explain that. Don't lift things directly from the internet. You need to be able to draw these molecules because you have to show your understanding, and if you just cut and paste, you're not showing your understanding. Also show some problems that come up, and hence why we moved over. So for instance, fats and fatty acids, they have an issue with hard water areas. So if you've got calcium coming from concrete pipes or from urine in the sewage pipes or hard water, then you can get these, what we call these sewer fog blockages. And so why did we move on then to man-made detergents? In terms of the model, you need to be able to explain the chemical reactions. So this is where a bit of your level 3 comes out. And so you should be able to show a few equations explaining what is happening. And here's another way where we show how we converted the fat to a soap and why we have then a soap, because one part dissolves in water and the other part does not. So all the best. Good luck.